That's our target. Good morning everybody, what's happening, what's going on? I was tricked! Welcome to... Oh yeah, we're not in Nairobi. Welcome to the Maasai Mara, Kenya. My sister is awake. It is day 2 here on the Serengeti. Usually breakfast doesn't start till 6:30. For some reason our driver organised this for us at 6 so we can head out and shoot the animals sooner. That's the plan. We're going to eat and then we are going to go and have a 6-day out in the park. I think everybody owes me money because I killed a mosquito last night before I went to sleep after 2 attempts. William, how'd you sleep? I woke up sweating and then I took the duvet off for 30 seconds and I was freezing again. Down on the Serengeti. Morning, kid. Morning, Anthony. Yeah, I am wearing 2 hats. Hopefully when we return, we'll have seen crocodiles eating stuff. We have a hyena. Zebra crossing. Oh yeah, the lions. See the lions? Sure. Lions. Look at that. Yo guys, the elephants. They know that the lions are here. One of them just charged. Yeah, all the cars. All the vans are coming this way because apparently there's a cheetah somewhere. Oh, it's on the ground. It's lying down there, right. Shit, it's hunting. Look at everyone, everyone's going crazy. Look at them. Oh, sick. Yeah.
I believe they are there. The lions don't necessarily attack people.
So guys, we're at the meeting point border between Kenya and Tanzania,
The river flows.
and this rock is here to commemorate it or something.
Yes, this is Tanzania.
This is Tanzania, ah.
Yes. Yeah, that's the Kenya and Tanzania. Although that beacon is a little.
Ah. So is this Kenya?
Yes.
Kenya's this side?
This is Kenya.
Ah.
Yeah. This is you are in Tanzania now.
Different country, yeah.
Yo.
Two places at once.
This is the Rhine.
Oh.
Yeah, but it is not supposed to be this way.
It's like
supposed
this?
to, yes. It was high elevated and it's supposed to be twisted this way. We will be by the river, and this is where we will have lunch.
Oh, look at the baby giraffe. Giraffe. When you're like, there's not the baby. Them stripy horses. Look at them stripy horses. Now Joseph is going to feed us. Asante sana Joseph.
Karibu.
It's so mad just seeing like shit you see on TV happen. You filming? What?
Okay guys, what's up? We are back. I was wondering where my fucking glasses are. We're back on the porch. We're just about to kind of watch what happened because we can't really...
Remember?
No, I was going to say we can't really believe our luck.
Oh, okay.
We can't remember.
We did.
What did we do today? We got all big five in today.
Yeah.
Fucking
Got a
hell.
rhino in.
We got the
Yeah,
rhino
big black
and the
rhino.
leopard, which Joseph said is very like 50-50.
Yeah.
And we got them both on the same day. The cheetah was class.
The cheetah was sick.
She was unbelievable.
Cheetah hunting, like.
Yeah.
Apart from we didn't see it actually do the
Not at the
hunt.
very end. Like,
Saw the stalk.
Yeah.
It didn't have a chance
Yeah.
because the cars would make the gazelle nervous and then...
We have rearranged plans for tomorrow. I will tell you about that later. We were like, what, 9.5 hours, 10 hours in the car. People have asked me, did I get good pictures? My thumb is sore from using the wheel on the back of the camera. Do you know why?
Oh.
Because I'm a YouTuber. Okay. I'm a YouTuber. Lekker. What's up guys, we didn't do a whole lot after that, we ate. I'll explain this mainly tomorrow, but...
But...
Okay, we're supposed to go on a safari tomorrow, but we've kind of changed our plans, so we're going up to Lake Nakuru
I fixed it.
instead. Lake Nakuru, you'll know Lake Nakuru, Lake Nakuru is the lake in...
Nakuru?
Yes. It's the lake that always has flamingos in it that you see on the telly, like in Disney and stuff. So that's where we're going. We're going to look at the flamingos. Also, the Ecuador. We're going to the equator as well. That's it. I got a vlog up ceiling. Wi-Fi here is shocking. Oh, there's a mosquito in here as well. It flew around my head when I was in here earlier.
I haven't got malaria tablets, so...
And I haven't either.
I thought you had them.
Oh, I do. I didn't take them.
Why not?
I don't know. I wasn't hungry.
Good night, Jack. Good night, everybody.
Good night, everybody. Good night, Joel. That's a good wave. He gives a wave. Much love, keep it faith. I'll chat to you fuckers later.